it's Melee here, and just want to wish you a happy new year. This is my first video of the new year, and I just want to show off a present I got over Christmas break. My baby sister gave me an Ancestry DNA kit for Christmas, and I'm super excited because I've always wanted to try one of these out. I've always wanted to try one of these or 23andMe, but I wanted to wait it out. I wanted to allow people to pull in their DNA so that I can have a good soup to get my information from. So without further ado, I'm gonna crack that bad boy open and spit in the tube. Alright, so we have this tube and a solution to help process the spit, and I have to fill it up to this wavy black line, but that's not that much because it actually stops right here. All of this is just filler, so yeah, let's see. And I just want to make sure I'm doing it all right, okay? It's less than 1/4 a teaspoon. Let's spit. It's all foam. I wonder if I should have wore lipstick. But also said do not overfill. But right now that's like 50% bubbles and the bubbles don't count, so. You guys ever try to like flex the little spit gland thingy? Like, wait, do I take that off? I should just leave this open. I don't know why I'm closing it. I replaced the funnel, with this cap, and screw on tightly to release the solution that will stabilize the DNA and my saliva. So screw that baby in. Oh, there it is. I heard the crack. And then to shake for at least 5 seconds. So let's see here. Shake it, shake it, shake it. So I've done that, and now I place my little tube into the collection bag. All right. And this little paper is supposed to stay in here. Do not remove absorbent pad. Okay, all right, there we go. Clear instructions. Collect it. Gonna throw it in this postage. To Ancestry. All right, I don't have to do anything. I don't have to do anything. Okay. Is this even big enough for it? All right. Got this thing sealed off and ready to send off. And it looks like it's actually gonna take around 6 to 8 weeks from the time they get my sample for me to receive my results. And it's probably gonna take longer than that because of demand and everyone else sending in their Ancestry DNA. So I'm gonna check in with you guys in a few months and we're gonna see what I'm made of.
What you're made of?
What I'm made of.
Give me another send-off.